Hello traders, in today's video we'll be looking at the Heiken Ashi Exit Indicator for MT4. This tool uses smoothed Heiken Ashi logic to highlight potential exit points from trades, giving you a visual way to manage trade closures rather than guessing when a move is over. I'll load the indicator on the chart so we can have a better understanding of how it looks like. Now the Heiken Ashi Exit Indicator applies Heiken Ashi based calculations to your chart and marks potential exit areas where its logic detects that the prevailing move may be weakening. These markers are placed near or on the candles as the underlying trend begins to lose strength or reverse. Visually, they provide a cue that it may be time to secure profit or tighten risk on existing positions as good risk management tools. Now we look at the screen. You can see the green bars or green candles for bullish trend and the red for bearish trend. And the change in color represents a transition phase or a shift in the trend bias. The longer the color sequence, the stronger the trend. Now if we move over to the settings, we have its period, that is the moving average period, and the MA method. These smoothing factors are used in the Heiken Ashi calculations and threshold that determines when an exit condition is recognized. You can also customize the marker styles and colors so exit signals stand out. Now if you're wondering who is for, this indicator is aimed at traders who already have an entry method but want more structure around when to close trades. It is still based on average price data and can give exits too early in strong trends or too late in sharp reversals. And it should be treated as a guiding tool rather than a rigid rule. It should always be used alongside your own judgment and risk management plan. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below. And also read more about the Heiken Ashi Exit Indicator for MT4, including example charts and usage ideas at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.